Okay, start. Every day is a good day, ma'am. Life is beautiful in Goa. This is called jellyfish. Look, Baba. And you know this fish? They eat this one. Look, ma'am. No problem. Only here little problem. Little kich 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 1 hour. Then very karasho. Coconut oil you have to put. Every day is good day. And look. Shaldin, ma'am. Shaldin. Fresh riba. Look. Hey. Baba, ito corn. Fresh lava. This sardine you get in Russia, tin. It's go from Goa, India to Russia for tin. You like it, baby?
Like.
Are you enjoying? Touch. Give them some. Beautiful. This is called Goa. Life is beautiful. Thank you, Jesus, giving us enough fish. Every day is a good day.